Hello, dear customer. This is Evan from the cooperative company. So now I'm in our factory warehouse. You can see now our workers is expecting our goods before shipping for our customer. So this time I want to show you our magnetic bottom. It used for our bags. You can see. And this is the packing of this product. Inside this packing is the bag, so we will put a going bag out of this box. So in this way, we can ensure our goods cannot be lost and damaged. And you can see on one big box, we have 30 small box 6. Okay, so one small box 6, we have 106 of its product. You can see, so every part of its product is individually packaged. You can see our package. Okay, also we can look inside this box 6. You can see. Okay, just like this, we will pack one by one. Okay. So I think if you are a bag factory, I think you will interested in this product. So you can see the quality is very good. Okay, so that's the brief introduction of this magnetic bottom.